Hello, I am Sorif Hussain, team leader of CyberShield. Today, we are presenting our solution, PhishGuard AI. Cybersecurity awareness among students is critically low. Existing antivirus tools only block threats but fail to explain why a link is dangerous, leaving users vulnerable to future attacks. To solve this, we built PhishGuard AI, a smart security tutor. It uses a hybrid engine combining local machine learning and Google Gemini AI. Unlike others, it provides a teach-back explanation, educating users instantly on why a domain is suspicious. Let's see it in action. First, I am entering a legitimate URL, google.com. The system instantly marks it as safe, verifying that this is an official domain. Now, let's test a dangerous phishing link disguised as an SPI update. The system triggers a red alert. More importantly, look at the explanation. It clarifies that this is not the official SPI domain and lacks HTTPS, empowering the user to spot such scams in the future. Our system is designed for speed and privacy. We plan to optimize our local model to run entirely offline using AMD Ryzen trademark AI NPUs, and we will use AMD ROCm trademark-supported GPUs to accelerate model retraining. PhishGuard AI, protecting users by educating them. Thank you.